Hello and welcome to our channel Next Gen Engineering. We have been talking about cement as part of our construction material series, and today we are going to talk about rapid hardening Portland cement. So let's start. We have already discussed this table of IS 456, but let's have a quick recap. So these are the type of cements and the respective codes as per IS 456. 33 gauge ordinary Portland cement. The respective code is IS 269. 43 gauge ordinary Portland cement IS 8112, 53 gauge ordinary Portland cement IS 12269, rapid hardening Portland cement IS 8041, Portland slag cement IS 455, Portland pozzolana cement fly ash base IS 1489 part 1, Portland pozzolana cement calcinine clay based IS 1489 part 2, hydrophobic cement IS 8043, low heat Portland cement IS 12600, sulfate resisting Portland cement IS 12330. So the specification and chemical composition of rapid hardening Portland cement is as per IS 8041 1990. Here we would like to tell you one thing. Please remember that rapid hardening cement is different from quick setting cement. So the term rapid hardening should not be confused with the term quick setting. Please do remember that we are coming to that topic why it is not same. Rapid hardening cement, this cement has same initial and final setting time as that of ordinary cement. So here lies the difference between quick setting cement and rapid hardening cement, because the purpose of quick setting cement is to reduce the setting time, initial as well as final, whereas the purpose of rapid hardening cement is to give a certain strength within a certain period of time, which is earlier than ordinary cement. So this is the basic difference. So quick setting cement and rapid hardening cement shall not be confused. So strength in early days, due to why we achieve that strength in early days, because burning at higher temperature increase cement in cement composition, increase lime content in cement composition, and very fine grading. So these are the basic reasons why we get a higher strength in early days. So let's talk about the advantages of rapid hardening cement. Formwork of concrete can be removed earlier. It is light in weight. It is not damaged easily. This cement requires short period of curing. Use of this cement also higher permissible stress in design. Structural member constructed with this cement may be loaded earlier. We will discuss in detail about these two parameters, that use of this cement also higher permissible stress in design. Structural member constructed with this cement may be loaded earlier in our structural member video series or structural design video series. So what is the manufacturing standard of rapid hardening cement? Rapid hardening Portland cement shall be manufactured by intimately mixing together calcareous and argillaceous and or other silica, alumina or iron oxide bearing materials, burning them at a clinkering temperature and grinding the resultant clinker so as to produce a cement capable of complying with this specification. No material shall be added after burning other than gypsum, natural or chemical, or water or both, and not more than 1% of air entering agents or other agents which have proved not to be harmful. Let's talk about the physical properties. Fineness per meter square kg, meter square per kg, I apologize, is 325. So that means per kg of rapid hardening cement shall not be spread over 325 meter square. Soundness by less earlier meter, minimum maximum is 10, and the as per autoclave test method maximum is 0.8. Setting time initial is 30, final is 600. 30 means half an hour, 600 is 10 hours. So please do carefully notice that the initial and final setting time is as same with ordinary Portland cement. So that's how it is. Once again we are mentioning that's how it is different with different than quick setting cement. Physical properties: compressive strength 72 watts, not less than 16 MPa, 168 hours, not less than 27 MPa, 672 hours, not. This is as per mixed design or target strength in MPa. It shall be same with ordinary Portland cement. So that is another aspect, that if it is OPC 43 you are designing a rapid hardening cement with, then it would be 43 or it would be 53, 33, irrespective of the or grade of ordinary Portland cement. So this is as per the target strength defined in the mixed design. But 72 hours shall not be less than 16 MPa, 168 hours shall not be less than 27 MPa. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and like and subscribe to our channel. That will help us grow and that will help us to motivate to create more and more videos. Take care guys, be safe and keep watching our videos. Thank you.